Okay, our topic is about volume of a cube. A cube is an example of a solid figure that is three-dimensional. Since all pieces of a cube are all square, then the length, the sides, the height are all equal. So the sides of the square are called edges or edges. So, bawat isa. So, and it symbolizes S. Okay. For example, the volume of this square is 3 meter. 3 meter, volume of this square. So, the formula for finding the volume of a square is S to the power of 3. Bakit? Kasi yung height, yung length, at saka yung width nga ay pare-pareho. Diba? Same. Kasi siya nga ay square. Pag sinabing square, same lahat yung height, same yung length, same yung width. Nakuha? For example, dito sa example natin, volume is equal to S to the power of 3. So 3, substitute natin, magiging ito ay S times S times S. Nakuha niya? Kasi kung hindi ganun yung pagka-times yun, halimbawa S times 3 lang, for example, 3 times 3, ang sagot lang ay 9. Mali na kayo agad. So ang gagawin, tatlong beses nyo itatimes sa tatlo sa sarili niya. Magiging S times S times S. Nakuha? Okay. So S times S, substitute natin 3 meter times 3 meter times 3 meter. So 3 meter times 3 meter is equal to
27 meter.
9. Only 9 meter. 9 meter squared times 3 meter. May isa pang 3 meter. So 9 times 3, yun na yung sagot na 27 meter cube to the power of 3. Yun yung volume ng cube na ito na example natin dito sa Pisara. So sana naintindihan ninyo. Malinaw?
Opo.